Now you can see that this letter ends with you are requested to submit the payment as soon as possible. Now if you frequently write these documents, there is a quicker way to write a sentence or some words. For example, as soon as possible. If I write this statement frequently and I just use ASAP and press tab, I can program this short form to automatically show as soon as possible when I only write ASAP. So let me show you how it is done. I'll go to File, go to Options, and then go to Proofing and AutoCorrect options. Some of you might already know that Word autocorrects the spelling mistakes. For example, about if you accidentally wrote an extra B, it will automatically correct it, and it has many suggestions. Whatever most of the people make mistake, it will automatically correct it to the right spellings. But we can use this option for our advantage. I'll write replace ASAP with as soon as possible, and you can add that statement, add and OK, and then press OK. Now let's test this. ASAP space, see, it automatically identifies as soon as possible. Similarly, if I write this short form in capital letters and then press space, it will change it to capital letters as a sentence. Now what if I want to write a bigger statement? For example, this is to inform you that your balance is due for the month. Let's copy this and go to Options, Proofing, AutoCorrect, and then just write FMO star. Now star is mentioned so that if you don't want to convert just on FMO, then it will not convert on FMO itself. You have to press star afterwards so that it will be treated as a unique value, and then it will be converted to the sentence. Add and OK and press OK. Now let's write FMO space. See, if it is an actual word, then it will not convert because we have mentioned asterisk with it. But if I mention asterisk, it will automatically convert this. So this is to inform you that your balance is due for the month of. So see how cool it is. It will save you a lot of time in your practical working. So just try this and we will move to the next function.